Hello. I'm going to show you how to install Windows 11. I already used the PC Health Check app, and it shows that my um, Intel NUC desktop qualifies for a Windows 11. So the first thing I'm going to do is just open a browser. In this case, I'm using Microsoft Edge, and just type install Windows 11. And I'm going to click on the first link that's download Windows 11 from Microsoft website. So here you have a few options to download. You can use the Windows 11 installation assistant, which I'm going to use, or you can create a Windows 11 installation media, make a bootable USB, or you can just download the disk image if you want to use it on a different computer. So I'm going to use the first option. So download now. It's downloaded, and I'm going to open this and click on yes to open it, and then just accept and install. Right? If you want to read through, you can, but I'm just going to accept and install there. So here, the first step is downloading. Make sure you have internet access. So I'm going to pause this video as it's downloading, then I'll keep recording after that. Okay, so now my computer has finished installing Windows 11 in the background, and the Windows 11 installation assistant pop out a message says your PC needs to restart, and then they give you about 30 minutes before they auto restart the computer. So I'm not going to wait for 30 minutes. I'm just going to restart the computer now and let it finish installing Windows 11. Then I'll continue the recording. This new Windows 11, I have this Microsoft Edge open just to cover the background. I just don't want you to see everything there. So from here, you can see the start menu is in the middle, and also all the frequent tasks that you will use, the apps that are also in the middle. So you can click on the start menu, and pretty nice. You can start searching. For example, you want to search apps. Let's see, OneNote, right? So just like a normal searching, and here you can open, and this is the widgets. You can pull out the widgets on the left. I like it. It's more like a mobile phone interface. You can edit the widgets if you want. And this is chat. I have not used this yet, but you can start play around with this, and mail, etc. So anyway, so this is my first-hand experience. The taskbar setting, you can click on it, so now you can have more control on what to show and not to show. Again, it's very comfortable to use for the first time. I like it. The next step I'm going to install on my 2-in-1 tablet PC. I'm sure the feeling will be much better with the touching experience.